Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use Airtable for content planning and management. So first up, we're going to create a base. This is where all your content will live. Think of it as your central hub for content organization. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. Now let's name it something like Content Management 2025. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated area for all our content-related tasks. Now that we've done that, let's create our first table by clicking on the plus Add a Table button. We'll name it Content Calendar. This helps us because it allows us to see all our content in one organized place. Next up, we're going to add some fields. Think of these as the various aspects of your content. So we'll add fields like title, type, status, due date, and assigned to. To do this, just click on the plus Add Field button, type in the field name, and choose the appropriate field type. This is crucial as it helps us categorize our content and keep track of key details. Now, let's take things to the next level and use Airtable's views. Click on the Grid View dropdown and select Calendar View. This allows you to see your content in a calendar format, making it easier to visualize your content schedule. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is taking the due dates from your content and plotting them onto a calendar. Next, we'll link our tables. This is where the power of Airtable really shines. Click on plus Add Field, name it Related Content, and select the link to another record field type. Then, choose the table you want to link to. This is important as it allows your content to be interconnected and gives a broader view of your entire content landscape. To wrap up, Airtable is a robust tool for content planning and management. With the ability to create a base, add tables, fields, different views, and link tables, you can have a bird's eye view of all your content in one place. And there we have it. You're now equipped to use Airtable for your content planning and management needs in 2025. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.